Think your auto shop website is just a homepage? Think again. Imagine cutting your phone calls in half while taking your business to the next level. What if customers instantly found answers like, "Do you service my car?" or "How much for a brake job?" right online? That's the power of an FAQ page. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that never sleeps. Plus, Google loves it. More keywords, more traffic, more customers. And here's the twist. Clear answers build trust faster than fancy ads. Your customers feel confident and keep coming back. Don't let phone calls slow you down. Transform your website with an FAQ page today. Ready to boost your business and save time? What's stopping you from owning the digital lane?